Even in today's video, we will see how to use the Sonos Era 100 as rear surrounds. Home theater surrounding sound setup guide. So setup step 1. Position the Era 100 speaker. Place one Era 100 behind the left side of your sitting area and the other behind the right side. Now position each speaker about 10 feet, means 3 meter above from your main listener position if possible. Then angle both speaker towards the sitting area. Leave at least 8 inches the 20 centimeter of clearance around the back of the each speaker for the best sound performance. Step 2. Add the speaker as surrounds. So open the Sonos app and go to settings. Now select the room that contains your Sonos soundbar. Now tap add surrounds and then follow the on-screen instructions to detect and pair both Era 100 speaker. Wait until setup is complete. Step 3. Run True Play tuning. If your device supports True Play, open the Sonos app, go to settings then system. Now select your home theater room. Tap True Play and complete the tuning process. The step 4. Adjust surround settings. After setup, you can customize the surround experience. Now you can for surrounds turn rear speaker on and off. For TV level, increase or decrease surrounds level, volume for TV audio. The music level, adjust surround volume when listening to music. The music playback, you can choose ambient, the subtitle rear effect or full range stereo from the rear speaker from music. Goodbye and thanks for watching.